Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
USB microscope.
Number 5.
Fiber Prime and Donstar 500x8 LED 2MP digital. $500x8 LED 2MP digital USB microscope. $1,600x1200 resolution. Flexible arm stand. Solid metal plated with chromium. LED illumination.
Number 4.
By-ear full set 21MP 2K 1080p 60 fps Full HD. 21 megapixel Panasonic CMOS sensor 1/2.33 inch. Camera with HDMI USB 2.02 output. Image resolution 5200*3900 for TF card, 1920*1080 at 60 fps for TF card. HDMI video resolution 2K at 30 fps, 1920*1080 at 60 fps. USB video resolution 1920*1080 at 30 fps. Table stand is all alloy aluminum, solid base plate, very high quality and easy to carry.
Number 3.
Black Practical Electronics 5MP USB 8 LED digital. Portable, lightweight and easy to use. Eight adjustable built-in aluminum LED. Built-in illuminator 8 LED. Automatic light. Contrast and fine focus.
Number 2.
By-ear 21MP 1080p 60 fps 2K Full HD HDMI USB. 21 megapixel Panasonic CMOS sensor 1/2.33 inch. Camera with HDMI USB 2.02 output. Image resolution 5200*3900 for TF card, 1920*1080 at 60 fps for TF card. HDMI video resolution 2K at 30 fps, 1920*1080 at 60 fps. USB video resolution 1920*1080 at 30 fps.
Number 1.
8 LED 1000x10MP USB digital microscope endoscope. Be alerted to telephone ringing or alarm clock. Bright LED flashing light. Extra loud audible ring. shaker vibration. 12 or 24-hour clock display.